Christmas. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. What Vlogmas Day is it? You guys, I don't know. I'm in a time warp and I can't get out of it. Well, welcome to Happy Vlogmas Day. Okay, so Keith just went to the post office. I got a card, a Christmas card from my friend and also subscriber, and also she's a YouTuber, Jane Church. So you guys, I put her YouTube link in my description box on the last video, and I'll do it again because she's a pretty new YouTuber, so we need to support her, and she has become one of my friends, and she's the cause of me wearing all these headbands because she wears headbands and I thought it looked so cute on her. She sent me a card in the mail, and let me show you. I'm gonna cover the address, but she's into all this. Look at this. It says Merry Christmas, and I believe she's into like pen and ink and things like that. So she's a fellow artist and YouTuber, and you guys need to subscribe because, well, because I'm the queen and I want you to subscribe. And she's great. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I appreciate this. So I feel like it's a Cartier item. I really haven't done anything all day. I got up, we had some toast on the homemade bread, and then I just wasn't feeling anything. Actually, I'm feeling a little run down, not sick, just run down, so I laid down. Oh my gosh, it's a card of her family, but I'm not gonna show it because she hasn't shown her children. But it has a beautiful note. Dear Yota, Merry Christmas. It's been such a pleasure to get to know you through YouTube this year. I'm so grateful for your friendship and support. Here's to even more good times in the new year. Sincerely, Jane. I will show you her adorable dog. How cute. How cute. But I'm not going to show her family because it's not for me to do that, but she's got a gorgeous family. Thank you so much, Jane. I appreciate the card so, so much. Okay, guys. I have an unboxing. I'm so excited. It's a tiny little thing. And you know what? You can probably guess what it is. It's from Nordstrom. And it's Burberry. When will I ever learn? Okay. I really don't think there's much damage that can be done with this item. Here it is. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work out. I ordered it knowing that it might not work out. It's actually a headband. It's a Burberry headband, you guys. But it's listed as a children's headband. I feel like it will work out. Okay, so I just went ahead and took a chance. It is kind of small. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take this one off. Let's show you the difference. There's not a big difference. It's wider than the one I have on. And yeah, it's gonna work. Look, you guys. So it's listed, if anybody's interested, it is listed under children's headband. But I think, oh, it's nice and stiff. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Jane, girl. You need one of these. How cute is this? Yeah, it feels good on my head. It's not too tight. To be honest with you, this one could be a little bit shorter, but it doesn't bother me at all. I wore this all day long yesterday. I'm obsessed. This time next year, I'll probably have 6,000 headbands because that's how your girl rolls. I love it. I gotta look in the mirror. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it. Yes. Okay. Even though I'm not really going anywhere today, I'm gonna wear this. So it comes with this little tiny dust bag. So if you travel, that would be great. I could just put it in this little dust bag. Oh my goodness, this is definitely a Nordstrom Burberry win. Okay guys, so I'll be back in a bit and I'm gonna show you our gingerbread houses. I did a time lapse and I have some explaining to do, but I'll be back in a bit. Dun, da, da, dun, dun, da! In this corner, We have Charlie Brown in the gang. Yes, the Peanuts gang. Keith will be working on the Peanuts gingerbread house. And in this corner, we have Santa's gingerbread workshop. Indeed, Queen YotaStyle will be working on this one. Okay guys, let the competition begin. Dun 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 dun. Okay, you guys, let the best competitor win. God have mercy on your soul, Keith. We did a time lapse and I had a few technical difficulties, but I kept pushing forward. I kept, I did not give up. I had missing parts, all kinds of calamities to deal with. Keith started out with a bang and then his roof started caving in, right Keith? Mm-hmm. But he has an entire house. Okay, so here's the top view. Of course, that's the only view you get on mine. But look at the magnificence of this gingerbread house. Just think about what I had to deal with, okay? But yet, I just kept prevailing and moving forward and trying, and then here's Keith's, okay? So, you guys, cast your votes. Cast your votes, and don't forget about what I had to deal with. Did I give up? No. I just kept moving forward. I deserve some extra points. May the best gingerbread house builder win. Boy, is it gloomy today. Okay, so Keith is testing out his new toy. He's went down the street here. Don't look at my yard, you guys. It is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Here he comes. But anyway, look at this. So we had a guy come and trim all the bushes and stuff. And I thought he was gonna clean out the beds and he didn't do it, but anyway. Okay, here comes Keith. You getting the hang of it? What do you do when you wanna go slow? All right, there he goes. Wave, Keith. Oh, here comes the dogs. Oh, God. Oh, God. That brown one's a little hellion. What's his name? No. No. Uh-oh. He's barking with a ball in his mouth? Okay, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to zoom in on that. I forgot his name, but he is a little hellion, you guys. Look at him. The other one just does what the brown ones. I can't remember their names. That is hilarious. What in the world? This is hilarious. Not yet. So tell me what you do. You lean forward to go faster. And then just however you want to turn, you just lean. Okay. Is it like skateboarding? No. How fast does that thing go? Oh, really? Huh. Whoa! Oh!
Did you get that?
Yes, but are you okay? Oh my gosh, what happened?
I don't know. It started spinning. I tried to take my foot off.
Oh, be careful. You need to hold on to something when you get on it. Keith, you break your neck. Hold on to... Are you okay? Oh, Lord. Be careful. Okay, guys, so the FedEx guy just came and dropped off a couple packages. And one of the packages is this right here, and it's from Gwenny, styled by Gwenny. Hey, girl, thank you so much. So she sent out gifts to me and Autumn and Winnie, and I appreciate it. I thank you so much. I'm gonna put it here in the pot with the rest of my presents from Autumn and Winnie. So thank you, Gwenny, love you, and I can't wait to open this box. Do you guys want to see what is Keith's biggest pet peeve that I do? But I do it for a reason, and I told him everybody doesn't always do everything the way you do it, Keith. So I just had a bowl of chili, leftover chili. I think I'm over the chili, but anyway, I tend to put the bowl in the sink so it can soak. Yes, I'm a soaker. And then I'm gonna rinse it out or scrub it out and put it in the dishwasher. Do you guys do that? Because he can't stand it when I do that, but I do that. So anyway, you guys, I just had some chili. Yeah, I'm over it. I had a brownie, leftover brownie from the party, and a little bit of butter pecan, just like a scoop of it on top of it. It was really good. So I'm not in the mood for the chocolate advent calendar, so we're gonna skip that. I'm just not in the mood for that. Actually, we haven't done any advent calendars today, but it's just been a quiet day at home. Haven't went anywhere. Keith went to the post office, and I went outside and filmed him on his new toy, and that's about it, you guys. So nothing exciting around here today, but I do have some packages, or I do have some bags out in my car I need to bring in. A little bit more wrapping to do. I haven't filmed any of that because basically it's just wrapping. It's nothing, you know, exciting. But yeah, just a quiet at home day. Tomorrow, we're gonna get up in the morning pretty early and go to the grocery store and get some stuff for our party on Thursday. So I had a subscriber say they wanted to see some of my family, and I just didn't think about it the other night. So we might set up a camera and do like a time lapse. I think that's lots of fun. But yeah, nothing going on tonight. Actually, it's 6 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna get some packages, wrap up a few more things. I always have to get the girls a few extra things. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a night, and I will be back in the morning. I love you guys. Peace out.